Hi everybody, sanibonani. Welcome to my channel. Igama lami Ntando Mdletshe, and on this channel sesikhulume ngama reality TV shows, ngama celebrities kanye nama YouTubers. And you guys, we are going to talk about Owamie and Jackie Phamotse. So listen, you guys, I did do a video where I was talking about the beef between Owamie and Jackie Phamotse, and I remember there was a time when we were waiting for a video that Owamie was going to release that had all of this mgosi about Jackie Phamotse that we never really got. We never got the video. And like I had predicted, because on my video I did say that I do feel like it's possible that Owamie, after the threats came from Jackie Phamotse, had given the video to her lawyers to have a look at so that she can find out if there's anything that can get her into trouble. So she does say in one of her videos that she did as an update that yes, she did take the video to her lawyers and they came back to say, listen, there might be some issues here with the video, unless of course you remove certain parts. Of course that wouldn't make sense, because probably the parts that were juicy were the parts that they wanted removed from the video, so we never got the videos. So when Owamie basically decided that she wasn't going to release the video, that was a win for Jackie Phamotse. Okay, so it was nil for Owamie and it was one for Jackie Phamotse. And we all know, you guys, one thing Owamie likes is winning. She does not like to lose. I knew that there wasn't going to be the end of it, because Owamie never stops until she feels like she has won. Okay. So on that same video where she's telling the viewers that she wasn't going to release the video because of the legal issues that she might possibly have because of the video, she also on that video says that she has applied for a protection order, which was a surprise and a shock for me. But you guys, she had, what she needed to apply for a protection order, because Jackie Phamotse had on one of her lives threatened Owamie. She talked about having a father that is in the army. She talked about her Zulu husband. I don't know what she was going to do with them, but we all know how Owamie feels about Zulus. So I'm sure she was like sweating at night, having sleepless nights, thinking that the father from the army is going to come with the bomb or whatever it was, AK-47s. I'm sure she was thinking all sort of things. So she must have been feeling threatened because she decided that she was going to go and apply for a protection order. I am of the opinion that it was more about her winning this round than it was about her really feeling threatened. Because if I think about it, I don't really think that Jackie Phamotse was going to send her father. I don't even think that Jackie Phamotse's father has time to be dealing with internet beefs, okay? But I do believe that Owamie really wanted to win this round. So she went and applied for a protection order. I believe she got a temporary one. And then this time she posted that finally she got a permanent protection order. Okay. It's a funny thing, you guys. It's strange because Jackie Phamotse and Owamie really honestly do not spend time together. They even say themselves that even when they were hanging out, I mean, it's like one time that they're counting. Owamie said they went to Durban. After Durban, she saw Jackie Phamotse only once. So they're not people that are crossing paths right now. They're not going to picnics together. They're not going on shopping sprees together. Nobody's going to anybody's house. So it is strange that you will require a protection order. But I believe that it is about Jackie Phamotse speaking about Owamie. So I guess the protection order is supposed to prevent Jackie Phamotse from talking about Owamie on the internet, which is strange because Owamie lives the life of talking about people in the internet. Imagine if all of the celebrities just went and got protection orders so that we don't get to speak about them. Singadla nje ngempela, eh? Yes, you guys, but she posted she was in court, you guys. I'm sure by now in court they know Owamie by the first name, because one thing Owamie is gonna do, she's gonna go to court, okay? So she did go to court and she got the protection order. There's one part of her post though that confused me, because she said that she got a permanent protection order and a warrant of arrest was issued, okay? And I waited to do this video because I wanted to understand what the warrant of arrest was about, because I believe that she was in court because of the Jackie Phamotse issue, but I didn't feel or believe or understand that it was an issue where somebody was supposed to get arrested, okay? And I was listening to another video by a YouTuber where she says that the warrant of arrest was for Jackie Phamotse, and it says that if she violates the protection order, she will be arrested. But I thought, guys, South Africa has time to issue conditional warrants of arrest, because I thought the whole point of a warrant of arrest is so that the person can be arrested. It is issued when somebody has done something that warrants them being arrested. I didn't know that the court can issue a conditional warrant of arrest, because basically it is a conditional warrant of arrest. If they are issuing a warrant of arrest, that will only be actioned if Jackie Phamotse talks about Owamie. It totally just doesn't make sense. So ngoba ngithanda indaba, I'm there by the internet now trying to find out, is there such a thing vele where they can say we are going to issue a warrant of arrest, but you know you're not going to be arrested now, we're just going to wait for you to see if you commit this crime or if you violate this protection order, okay? So this is the part of somebody's explanation of what happens when somebody violates a protection order, okay? So it says here, the only time a person may be arrested is if they violate a final order and are tried and convicted in court. If a complainant feels that you violated an order, they can lodge a complaint to the police station. The police may arrest or not arrested depending on the merits of each case. The matter may be referred to court for adjudication. If the prosecutor feels that the matter is prosecutable, they may prosecute or not prosecute. Again, it depends on the merit of the case. The court will make an order if you are guilty of violation of the final protection order and may decide on a punishment, and it may be a fine or imprisonment. Depends on the court, but it will undergo a criminal procedure. I basically feel like this person is actually saying the same thing that I was thinking, that the only time that the warrant of arrest would be issued is if the person has violated the protection order. And then you go and report that they have violated a protection order. Then it becomes like a criminal procedure then takes place. But-ke nkosi yami ngangikuphi mina ngoba ngazenzela i-commercial law, futhi nakhona ngangizama nje ukuthi ngiyiphase leyo course ukuze ngiyitholele i-degree yami ngihlukane ne-university. So kungenzeka nje ukuthi nganginga-understand kwakona lokho. Guys, please in the comment section, those who know a lot about law, do they ever issue a conditional warrant of arrest? Because from what I hear, this sounds to me like it's a conditional warrant of arrest. I wonder, you guys, if they have, because I believe that if you get a protection order, the person that you've taken a protection order against, they have to be informed that the protection order is in place. I wonder if Jackie Phamotse has received it on her side and what it means for her, if she's going to respond in any way. Anyway, you guys, I feel like honestly, this is a win for Owamie, and it's a win that she wanted, because obviously if Jackie Phamotse is going to be staying away from her and is not going to be saying anything about her, then it's a win for her. But mina being me, ngisathanda indaba, I still want to know what was in that video that we never got. Okay, am I the only one who's still wondering what's konani kuleya video? Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ntanda kakhulu.